Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a provisional driving license in the UK. So I got mine in 15 days, so I'll walk you through the process step by step. So there are 3 steps to getting a full UK driving license. So 1, provisional license. Number 2, theory tests. And number 3, practical tests. And in this video, we're going to do step 1, applying for the provisional license. First, search apply UK driving license on Google and click apply for your first provisional driving license. So I've added the link in the description below. And before you apply, make sure you're eligible, that you must be 15 years and 9 months or older. You must be able to read a number plate for 20 meters. You must be allowed to stay in Great Britain for more than 185 days. England, Wales, and Scotland. And if you're on a 180-day visitor visa, you can't apply. You can apply online for a €34 or by post for €43. I applied online because it's faster and cheaper. And before you start, keep your documents ready. If your BRP is expiring at the end of 2024 or already expired, make sure you have your share code ready for the application. So the link to generate it is in the description below. So click start now and answer the questions. Since it's your first time, select no when asked if you had a provisional license before. Then choose where you currently live, like England. So for some people, the website will ask for a digital photo and signature. So in my case, my application was redirected to the old online service, so it didn't need to upload them. If you're using the new service, follow the instructions for the photo and signature. Next, answer the questions about staying in the UK for more than 185 days, your eyesight, and medical questions. And read the list carefully and choose the right answers. Then you'll create an account using your email, enter your verification code, and then continue. So mobile number is optional. So after that, choose your identity document like a non-UK passport or BRP, and you may be asked for your national insurance number. If you have it, I suggest adding it because it can speed up verification. Next, enter your personal details, date of birth, and address. Use your postcode to find your address. Then confirm how long you've lived there. And if it's less than 3 years, you'll need to enter your previous address too. Review everything, fix any mistakes, then go to payment and pay the €34 fee. After payment, DVLA will post you a form in a brown envelope, and then you'll also get a white return envelope. Fill the form using black pen and capital letters, and then attach a recent passport photo, and then send it back within 21 days. And if you're a non-UK identity holder, enter your share code in the proof of identity section. Since BRPs are expiring, I recommend using the share code like I did. So once you send it, the processing time can vary depending on how busy DVLA is. And if you're unsure about everything or anything, check the back of the form or drop your questions in the comments. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, please like the video, share it, and subscribe for more videos like this. I also post visa and travel videos, so I'll see you on the next one.